Hi, this is Sandy with ASC2. Today we're going to learn how to steam up some artichokes for 1 or 2 and serve them up with a super easy sauce. It's artichoke season, so I don't know when artichokes became the size of small houseplants, but this is so easy to do, and if you haven't had a steamed artichoke, it's a real treat. You want to grab a large pot, make sure that it's big enough to hold your 2 ginormous artichokes, and then you're going to add 1 inch of water. Cut off the stem of your artichoke, leaving about almost an inch. You want to make sure that it's level, and if it's not, just give it another little trim. Next, you're going to cut a little X at the bottom of the stalk to aid in the cooking process. Place your rinsed artichokes into your pot. Make sure that they fit properly. Add a couple lemon slices if you like, and a big pinch of salt. Then put on the cover, and we're going to get that to a boil on our stove and then lower it to a simmer and steam them for approximately 30 minutes. While our artichokes are cooking, we're going to get started on that sauce. Just promise not to tell how easy it is to make. All you need is some mayonnaise, some hot sauce, and a little cayenne pepper. In a small bowl, add a heaping scoop of mayonnaise per person. Shake up your hot sauce. A couple dashes of hot sauce. Add some more if you like a little bit more heat. A little dash, just like a little sprinkle of cayenne pepper. A pinch of salt. A few grinds of black pepper. And then just whisk it all together. I told you that was easy. Now just spoon the sauce into a little ramekin for serving. If you don't have a little ramekin, you can just put it on a plate too. So here we are at the stove at the end of 30 minutes. So we're gonna take the lid off. Whew, careful, it's kind of hot. And with like a towel, make sure you don't catch it on fire. You wanna see if you can tug one of the leaves off. Can't quite do it yet. So I'm gonna put the lid back on. Give it a few more minutes and we'll come back and check it. Well, that took a few more times. So I actually ended up giving it an extra 10 minutes. So here, we're gonna take this off again. Whew. And we're gonna reach down and, I got a leaf. That means they're done. It's also a really good idea to give it the bite test. So if you can bite off the flesh, then you know for sure they're really done. So now with some tongs, you're gonna reach in after you've turned off the heat, give them a drain, and you're going to put them on a plate to cool. So now these are either ready to eat warm, or you can let them cool to room temperature, cover them with plastic wrap, and put them in the fridge for a day or 2. Put on a plate with its special sauce. Enjoy!